let's move into the assignment part of our saying goodbye for today. If you go into our collection, there's a place there where you'll see assignment, okay? And what we're asking you to do over the next few weeks is to begin to create a learning activity in the lab for your classroom. Pulling in digital museum content, pulling in ethnic studies, teaching strategies, the ideas that Chris was working with, you know, try to kind of make sense of all that and think about what class you're teaching this for, what grade level. Remember, if you're trying to answer a specific TEK for it. So these are questions for you to try to help you create it. I've also added in extra helpful resources like the Project Zero thinking routines. We have Explore with Smithsonian Experts videos. These are all the collections from other people in the workshop. And then here is the Learning Lab Getting Started guide, okay? The other thing I want to draw your attention to is our help page. So if I were to go down to the bottom of the lab, if you click here, help, you'll see that. So we have all kinds of content available to help you. Generally on Monday afternoons or Thursday afternoons, we have specific sort of drop-in presentations, getting started in the lab, how to create your collection, how to annotate your collection. We also have programs with various educators who are using the lab. So these are half-hour programs where you can learn more. And then we have drop-in office hours on Tuesday afternoon. So you can just come, drop in, ask all your questions, okay? You can also contact me anytime, okay? So I've put my address in there. Please feel free to reach out. And I know that now our colleagues at the MAC are like all over the lab, and I think you guys could lend as much guidance about the lab as I can now, because you guys have really put together some awesome materials. I'm really so amazed.